So this is the GoNoodle sign-in page. So if you have an account, you're going to hit log in, and if you don't, sign up for free. So I'm going to click sign up for free. So I have an account, so I'm not going to need to do this, but it's free for kid, parent, and educator alike. The sign up process is different for each one. If you're a kid, it's going to ask that you have a parent come sign in with their email. If you're a parent, let's click on it. Oh, see, it signed me in. Okay, if I'm a parent, it's just going to ask for my email. As an educator, it's going to ask for my name, email, password, and after you finish all of this, you're going to hit next, and then it should take you to what school do you belong to. And so you would typically put in your school and add them in. So I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so I have 2 classes. So part of the GoNoodle site is they have these little monsters, and so you get to pick for each class. So let's say I teach 2 5th grade classes. I could separate these classes and what GoNoodles go with each class. So I'll talk about that in another video, the rewards system. So that's it.